Hey everyone, yeah? In this video, I'll show you how to use multi-instance in LD Player. So you can run multiple apps or games at the same time on your PC. If you want smoother multitasking or, faster farming in games, this quick guide will help you set everything up step by step. First, open LD Player on your computer. Once it loads, look at the right side toolbar and find the multi-instance icon. It usually looks like stacked windows. Click that to open the multi-instance manager. Now click on New Instance. You'll see options like Fresh Instance or Clone Instance. A fresh instance creates a clean emulator, while Clone copies your existing setup. For most users, yeah, cloning saves time. Before launching, you can adjust performance settings. Choose CPU cores, RAM allocation, and resolution depending on your PC power. If your computer is mid-range, start with balanced settings so everything runs smoothly. Once ready, click Start next to the instance. You can repeat this process to open multiple emulators at the same time. Each window works independently, so yeah, you can run different accounts or apps together. If you want to control all instances at once, open the Sync Operations feature. This lets one action repeat across every window, which is super useful for games or repetitive tasks. Quick tip, close unused background apps and lower graphics settings if you notice lag. Multi-instance uses more system resources, so small adjustments can make a big difference. And that's it. Now you know how to use multi-instance in LD Player to run multiple apps easily on your PC. Try different settings to find what works best for your system, and yeah, you'll be multitasking like a pro. Thanks for watching.